3:45. I actually woke up before my alarm this morning. So we are gonna get dressed for the gym, strength training this morning. We're gonna journal, we're gonna ice roll, and take you guys with me. So let's go. And if you guys have watched my other videos, seen that I'm in a challenge with Mel Robbins this week. I was honest with you guys. I did not succeed a couple of days this week, but keep going, keep looking at me today. I was up before my alarm turned off and I'm up and out of bed. So if you really want to succeed at healthy habits that you're trying to create for yourself, just get the life that you want, don't give up. Use the 5-second rule that I talked about yesterday from her and get to it.
Good, how are you?
We just got back from the gym. It's around 7 o'clock, so we're gonna shower, do some skincare, breakfast, make some coffee, and get to work. Go potty, and come right back inside. Go potty. Good girl. Take a shot together. I love this pressed Vitality one. I'm gonna try and make them from home. Coconut water, turmeric, lemon, and black pepper. Cheers. Sit. Good girl. Here's